Marasi?
2026.
Yeah, Harbor.
Yeah, it says 2026.
It says?
Does it? It doesn't.
Wow! I wonder how it will actually look there.
It looks better here. Yeah, the view of the sea.
Oh, there's also some over there, Mama.
Yeah.
Over there. There's also
capturing
tiny
that.
ones over there.
Mama, it's your wallpaper.
Maya, there's also
Mama, it's your wallpaper. Blue explosion.
Yeah.
yeah.
How are fireworks made? Can it kill people? Can it kill people? Normally can.
Wow. That's nice. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! 2026 2026! I'm down here!
The big 26.
No, you can't see me!
Happy New Year, Raju.
2026 and then 2027.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Wow!
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
2026.
2026.
Maybe in 2030 there'll be gigantic fireworks. Like the big-
Close it, look very big to you. We're quite far away.
Yeah, you watch it.
कैसे वो देखो स्टिक ऑन कर रहे हैं वो वाले
कौन से वाले?
वाइट वाले जल्दी जा नहीं रहे वो वाला ड्रोन शो नहीं दिखे
I think there should be 26 fireworks. And then actually it's been a lot more than 20. Because it's never ending. So
you see how far the smoke is drifting
You mean outside the light?
see you can see the smoke drifting from the fireworks how far it's
I can see it.
I can't see it.
The yellow lines from the trail.
Oh yeah, that? I thought that's the fireworks shooting off. It doesn't look pretty high to me. Daddy, it doesn't look high to me.
very high
उधर का खत्म हो गया छोटा वाला.
Shruin de Sitta. I think that's how you say 20. And when we go home, we are gonna Among Us game. All songs. And Mama will play the Among Us game, right?
Yeah, you.
Mama will play the Among Us 2026 game.
नियत.
Yes.
I'm gonna get him down on this.
no you aren't get back
You will trip and fall into the
don't do silly things Rani, okay
You can see the fireworks falling down.
yeah and look how they're hanging in the air for a long
Wow.
Crashing. Do they actually crash?